Over the last couple of months, I've been looking at hundreds and hundreds of TikTok organic videos. And today I'm going to present to you the top 3 videos I have seen so far and explain to you exactly why they are good and how you can replicate the same for your organic business.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love.
Alright, so very first of all, to most of you guys, this doesn't seem like a crazy good video. There's nothing special about it. However, there's 3 key components here. Number 1 is look at the hook again. It seems like it's not an ad, like it's not a product video. It seems like it's just an entertaining video on TikTok. Always keep in mind, this is who you're competing against. If a random person is scrolling on TikTok, they are there seeing videos which are super entertaining and don't have to be salesy. Meaning, it's like the Mr. Beast, the other people which are super big and are really good at content. You're competing with all of them. However, if you're able to make the video look super native and like it's not about the product or something, but it's like an actual storyline, it's going to be very different. Now, all of a sudden, people actually will stop and watch. And on top of that, it was an engaging hook with a glass breaking, and it said there's a prototype, which means that they have to keep watching to see the real version. Whenever you have an implied scroll stopper, so if you say the prototype, it obviously suggests that there's going to be a final version. Also, obviously, the product itself is very controversial, and it obviously baits tons of comments, and you have to look at the background and the details here, because if you look at the end of the video, there's a huge wine glass right behind the product, which just shows that he actually put an extra effort into it and has put time into all the details and stuff like that, which in this case actually matters. This one again is just so straight to the point, and it's a perfect video, even though it's so simple. There's no crazy effects, no nothing. It's just so simple, but at the same time perfect, because you have this before-after effect. You have this super loud snoring as the hook, and it also hooks the right people, where, for example, if your boyfriend is snoring, that's a good hook. Like, if you're a girl, and that's actually an issue which you have and you cannot sleep because of that, that's the exact perfect target audience which you're talking to. And what's beautiful about this is just the contrast of not using the product versus using the product, and all of a sudden you completely stop snorting. Here with specifically this product, what happens, it's actually a really good comment baiter for tagging your boyfriend or girlfriend. Hey, you need this, haha. And this is something which everybody is gonna comment, obviously, and some people are actually gonna buy it because of that. So it just makes sense, and because it's nothing offensive or something like that, this is something which is a perfect way to actually bait comments. And the last thing is, again, it seems like it's a normal TikTok video. Always keep this in mind. There's hundreds and hundreds of boyfriend, girlfriend prank videos or filming their partner while they're sleeping. If you just scroll on TikTok, you're gonna see a bunch of these videos anyways. This is literally the same, but just adding this nose strip.
It wasn't crazy what I'm about to say. Sometimes you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Clap along if you feel.
Why is this working so well? Number 1, same as the other ones. This fits into TikTok perfectly. You're gonna see tons of pranks with costumes and stuff like that. Just in this case, you're selling the costume. What is amazing about this, it is very difficult to make content for this. Most dropshippers out there are gonna be embarrassed to go out there in a bear suit and do pranks outside. However, a product like this just gives you the opportunity to go the extra mile. This is something every single advanced person out there should be looking for. You should be looking out for how difficult it is to make this work. And obviously here, it's obviously really difficult to make something like this work if you're, for example, introvert. So you instantly just cut out like 80% of all dropshippers. And if you think about this, the beauty of this product as well, there's endless content of this. Like, you can do the same thing, but get different reactions from strangers. And all of a sudden, it's new content. It's not you having to come up with new stuff. It's basically you're doing the same. However, the person's just reacting differently, or you do it a little bit of a different way or a different setting, or instead of a shop outside, or you go to the woods or whatever, you basically instantly have an infinite amount of product ideas really, really fast. And also keep in mind that the music in this case specifically actually was a part of the whole vibe of the video. Like, it's all dorky and funny and stuff like that. The music just plays into that so much that it just enhances this kind of feeling which people get. And what I generally want you to do as well is whenever you go on TikTok or on Instagram and you see something goes viral, ask yourself, why did this work? Because it clearly did. Did this person just get lucky? Or maybe is there something behind it which actually made it go viral? Because obviously some people do get lucky, but in most cases, things go viral for a reason. And you need to figure out why and implement it for yourself. That's the main thing you need to do. And for example, what we in our program has as a competitive advantage is that me and my team, we are reviewing dozens of TikTok accounts every single day, which our students sent us. And we basically see what is working, what's not working. And the strategy just grows exponentially fast because of that. So if you want us to look over your content and tell you why things don't do well, or if you did well once, but after that it died down, we're also going to tell you how to get that onto a consistent level. And you're going to be shocked on how simple it is to make money with dropshipping if you know how to go viral and how to entertain people, and then have all the back-end things in place like converting, etc. So if you want us to look over your products and content and everything, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to find out if everything is a good fit.